Welcome to Tech Journey channel. In previous video I have created about me section. In this video I am going to create a skills section in my profile project. There are two columns for the programming skills and the other skills like this. We start now. Create a section called skills. It has ID of skills. Then division inside that section, it has custom style class of skills and the bootstrap class of container fluid. Inside that there is a header 1 tag for the my skills. It has class of text capitalize. And the text should be center and ID is skills. Skills should inside the strong tag. Strong tag class of banner title. Add skills inside strong tag. Then we are going to create horizontal line. So okay now. Add horizontal bar below the header one. It should inside the another division. It has class of horizontal. Add HR tag here. Then add another division after horizontal line for the skill categories. Division for the row. Then division, it has class of col-10, mx auto, col md-6 and the my-5. Inside that division, create the header tree for the programming skills. Skill should inside the strong tag. Cut it from paste here. There is a paragraph to describe two skills type. It has class of text justified. Text are the following are the my programming skills with the percentages. Then I am going to create that bars. Create division for the bars. It has custom style class of bar dash item and bootstrap class of bar p dash 2 and m dash 2. You can style this bar with the different colors and the different percentages as you want. Add another class to bar text uppercase. Then add name to bar like Java, CSS, HTML like that with the percentages. Then I am going to copy this division and paste in here a few more times for the more programming skills. Okay with the programming skills, but there is a mistake. Then I am going to copy this whole column for the other skills. It also same like the programming skills. Change programming to other. And change the paragraph also. There should be the margin, but not margin here. You can change name, color and percentages like this. Then let's create style for the skill section. Skills has background color main gray. My skill has color main purple. Then horizontal line. Position should relative at top to 16 pixel. Remove the border with border none. Height with 8 pixel. Background is main black. At margin to bottom 50 pixel. Then bar item style. It has the border radius of 1 rem. We have done all the styles also. We see our page. There is a mistake here. There should some margin. In the body, there should add some space, and it should P-2 space and M-2 space. We have now done with the skill section also, but this bar should change. You can change name, color and the percentage as you want. I am going to copy that part from my finished project. Then it looking good. If you have any problem, you can comment it below. I'll reply as soon as possible. If you want to see more content like this, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.